Welcome back to IronRevX. Today, we are deep diving into the most anticipated luxury SUV of the year, the completely redesigned 2026 Lexus GX 550. This is a major statement from Lexus. They transformed this vehicle into a brutal, boxy machine, but they killed the beloved V8 engine. The big question is the new twin-turbo V6 a worthy successor, and is the $80,000 plus price tag justified for this blend of luxury and ruggedness? Number 1. Let's begin right away with the design. The 2026 GX 550 has gone from smooth to absolutely savage. The front look is dominated by a bold, boxy, and upright design, reminiscent of classic off-roaders. Up front, the iconic Lexus spindle grille is now integrated vertically. Flanking it are sleek, horizontal LED headlights that give it a sharp, modern glare. The long, flat hood and chunky fenders emphasize its muscular stance. Number 2. Next, let's move to the side profile. The vehicle's straight body lines and large glass area confirm its rugged DNA. The side profile is commanding and shows off its height and length. The windows are large, providing excellent outward visibility, which is key for both city driving and off-road maneuvering. The doors feel solid and open wide for easy access to all 3 rows of seating. Number 3. And now, let's analyze the rear look. The rear design is equally modern. It features a new full-width LED light bar connecting the taillights, a signature touch that looks especially premium at night. Utility is excellent. The rear window can now open separately from the main liftgate, which is perfect for quickly loading small items, a feature we absolutely love. Number 4. Moving to the wheels and tires, the GX means business at the ground level. Depending on the trim, you get everything from elegant 20-inch alloy wheels to more aggressive 18-inch wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, especially on the rugged Overtrail trim. Crucially, the GX boasts excellent ground clearance, allowing it to easily tackle tough terrain, solidifying its dual nature. Number 5. Now, let's address the heart of the matter, the new engine and speed potential. The V8 is gone. In its place is a powerful 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine. This new engine is not just efficient, it's a beast, delivering a massive 349 horsepower and a strong 479 pound-feet of torque. This V6 is quicker than the V8 it replaces, giving the GX excellent acceleration and speed potential when you need it. Number 6. Next up, the overall performance and driving dynamics. The ride quality is significantly improved. The GX sits on the tough, body-on-frame TNGAF platform. For smooth driving, it uses an adaptive suspension system. For off-roading, it features standard full-time 4-wheel drive, 4WD, a lockable center differential, and available E-KDSS, which dramatically improves wheel articulation. This SUV is capable of pure luxury cruising on the highway and tackling serious off-road trails. Number 7. Before we go inside, let's cover safety. Safety is top tier with the standard Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0. This massive suite includes features like pre-collision system, dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and the advanced proactive driving assist, PDA, ensuring maximum confidence on American roads. Number 8. Stepping inside, our next focus is the interior luxury and comfort. You are enveloped in pure Lexus luxury. The cabin is dramatically modernized. You get high-quality semi-aniline leather, beautiful contrast stitching, and real wood or metal accents. The seats are supportive and plush, offering excellent comfort for both short commutes and long family journeys. Number 9. Our next segment is dedicated to the technology and controls. The dash is dominated by a brilliant 14-inch central infotainment touchscreen, which runs the latest, highly responsive Lexus interface. This is paired with a clear 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster for the driver. Crucially, essential physical buttons are smartly retained for climate control, which is a major win for ergonomics. Number 10. Moving on to practicality, the GX excels here. Storage is generous, with large door pockets, a deep center console, and highly flexible second and third row seating configurations, making this a true family utility vehicle. Number 11. Let's analyze the market appeal. The GX appeals to a wide market. Those who need serious luxury, those who need 3 rows for the family, and those who demand true off-road capability. Its main competition is the Land Rover Defender and the high-end Toyota Land Cruiser. Number 12. Finally, let's talk pricing and the final verdict. The 2026 Lexus GX 550 is expected to start in the mid-$60,000 range for the base models, but the popular, fully loaded trims like the Overtrail Plus or Luxury Plus will easily push the price well into the $80,000 to $90,000 range. So, here's the final verdict: the 2026 Lexus GX 550 is a resounding success. Lexus has given us a truck that is incredibly capable off-road and ultra-luxurious inside. The new twin-turbo V6 is powerful, quiet, and more efficient than the V8. If you want a luxury SUV that truly can do it all, the new GX is an absolute home run. What do you think? Is the new V6 enough to win your money? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this detailed review, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to IronRevX. We are committed to bringing you the most in-depth, unbiased reviews of the toughest trucks and most luxurious cars targeting the US market. Tap that notification bell so you never miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.